Watch this video and learn how to draw an Easter chick. Later on, there's a dance break with Bunny Fluffington. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artists. Yeah. I'm Artie, and this is the Artie Show. Yeah.
Wow, Artie, what a nice welcome.
Yeah.
Are you ready to draw an Easter chick?
Yeah.
Let's start.
Okay. Woo, this is gonna be fun. Yeah.
Hey, little artists!
Greetings to you all!
Yeah.
Are you ready to start?
Oh, Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait.
Artie.
Can't wait.
Okay.
Artie
Okay,
can't
Artie.
wait.
I think it's time to start drawing. 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 It's time to start drawing.
Let's start by drawing an eye in the middle of the page towards the top. A circle with a little black dot in the centre. Oh, it looks like one of your eyes, Artie.
Yeah.
Now let's draw another eye just besides it, the same size circle, and then another little black dot in the middle.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thank you, Barry. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie, let's add some little eyebrows above those eyes. A little triangle and shade it in black.
Art brings me so much joy!
Me too!
Let's draw another eyebrow over the right eye. Perfect. Let's draw some feathers coming out of the top of our chick. A curved line with a tiny little ball on the end. That's it.
Hip hop hooray! Bunny Fluffington is here!
Hello, Bunny Fluffington.
Wow! The little artists at home are going to love that drawing!
I hope so.
Well, bunny kisses and carrot wishes! Bye-bye, Artie!
Bye. Bye-bye.
Let's add a beak to our chick. We're going to draw a simple little triangle shape. Draw a line across the bottom, Artie, and then another triangle shape underneath. Perfect. Now we have a beak.
I think we should have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah. Let's go have a dance break. Dance break.
Okay.
Dance break.
This is making me want to dance.
Me too! Come on, little artists! Let's all dance!
mean I have no choice, darling? It's 10. Oh, that thing.
Oh, dance break.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
With Bunny.
Oh, yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing now?
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw a V shape underneath the bottom triangle. And now shade in the middle area black. And it'll look like our chick has her little mouth open. Coming up, join Artie in cartoon form. Let's draw a curved line, but make it a wavy curved line. And then a little piece between the eyes. And then let's come up from the right side and go all the way to the right eye.
What a lovely day. Oh, well, it was. Painty's coming. Oh.
Very funny.
Barry, it's not funny. There's yellow paint everywhere now. Well, I suppose it is the colour of a little Easter chick at least. Maybe we can use some of this paint, Artie. Oh, those wings look fabulous, Artie. Do you ever wish you had wings? I do.
No. No.
Well, it would be fun if we had wings. We could fly. Anyway, let's draw the top of our Easter egg. We're going to draw lots of little upside-down V shapes. That's the top of the egg cracked open. Now we'll draw the right side of the egg.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Well, of course you can, Artie.
Thank you.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured yellow.
Artie loves yellow. Look, yellow sunflowers. It's a yellow school bus. Oh, look, yellow birdies. Yellow stripes on the road.
You found lots of yellow things today, Artie.
Artie loves yellow. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
We learned about yellow.
Yeah.
Did we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah.
It's nearly done.
Okay.
Now let's draw the left side of the egg, a nice big curved line, and then carry all the way across to join the two lines together, completing the egg shape. Let's draw some stripes across the egg. You seem to be really enjoying this drawing, Artie. Are you having fun?
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo! Hey.
Well, I'm pleased. We're having lots of fun just watching you draw. Oh, I like these stripes. They're going to look great when it's coloured in. Well, you're almost finished by the looks of it.
I finished.
I thought you were.
Yeah.
I love the chick's little
Yeah.
beak.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now?
Oh, I think I want to color it in. Yeah. Okay.
It's coloring time!
Great job, Artie. It came out really, really good.
Yeah, looks really good.
It does. Are you pleased with it?
Very, very happy.
Oh, that's nice.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Thank you for watching, little artist. We'll see you again soon. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.